Hey, Tech Squad, huge news! The iQOO 15 is making waves with some crazy leaks, and I've got the details you're dying to hear. Is this the next flagship killer? Let's break it down. First off, iQOO's jumping straight to 15, skipping 14, likely a nod to cultural vibes in Asia. The camera setup? A 50-megapixel main sensor, 1.5 inches, perfect for sharp, vibrant shots. And get this, the periscope telephoto camera is back with 50 megapixels. iQOO 13 skipped it, but the 15's bringing it to compete with the big names. Can it outzoom a Galaxy or iPhone? We'll see. The screen's a 6.8-inch Samsung flat display with 2K resolution, super crisp, ideal for gaming or streaming. You've got 100-watt wired charging, an ultrasonic and display fingerprint sensor, dual speakers, and a hefty vibration motor for that premium feel. Here's a first for iQOO: wireless charging. Plus, the battery's massive, starts with a 7, so at least 7,000 milliamp hours. That's days of juice. Storage? Up to a terabyte, with 16 gigs of RAM for crazy multitasking. Word is, it's launching in October. But here's the real question. Will the iQOO 15's cameras and battery outshine the competition? If you liked the video, I ask you to like and subscribe to support me. See you in the next video.